Gia, and Gigi is holding my body. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my vending machine I just got. It's from the My Life brand, and it's so cute and it actually works. It comes with 10 little 25-cent coins. Let me show you here. 10 of these little things. And then it comes with mixed berry juice for 25 cents, Coca-Cola for 50 cents, water for 75 cents, apple juice for $1. So let's see how this thing works. I'll get some mixed berry juice. And what you do is you put the coin into the little hole, and then, if you want it, you press the check mark. And then it comes down, yay! Cool and delicious. Refreshing too. Okay, now let's see. I'm gonna get some apple juice. Okay, so once more you put it in the hole, so if apple juice, I need 4 of the 25-cent coins. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. But I changed my mind about the apple juice, so all I have to do is press the X under the check mark. And then all my money comes back in that compartment. Oops. Nope, it only comes back once. Okay. Okay, so then the 4 coins I paid are now back with me. Now I can get what I actually wanted. I wanted, let's say some cola. So you put, it'll need 2 for 50 cents. So 1 and 2. And then once more, I'll check the check mark. And then there it comes. Delicious. Okay, so once all the juices are gone and you want to get more, you have to take the juices and, this is very heavy. Turn it around. And then this is the compartment, which is a little tricky to open. I'll get it open. There we go. It has the little apple juices here, and then the little water compartment here, and then the Coca-Cola compartment, and then the little mixed berries compartment. That's where you put the juice. And then right here is after you pay, you put all the money that you paid for goes into this little hole when you're done. And then you can take your money out and look, there it is. The money I paid for the mixed berry juice and the Coca-Cola juice. And then this is the little stand. So if it's against something, you don't need to have it, but if it's not, then you need to take it out. And put this back up. I hope you guys enjoyed my video of the vending machine. I hope you love juice too. Bye! Please like and subscribe. Hope you guys have a nice day.